How to draw DJ Marshmello. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing a square for the head. It will be slightly curved and it will look similar to a marshmallow. I would also like to mention that this drawing was requested by a member of the Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you want to learn how to draw something and it's not yet on our channel, be sure to comment it down below. Nicely done. Right below that square, we're going to draw a U-like shape, which will be connected. This will be the collar of Marshmello's shirt. Now above and on the inside of the square, we're going to begin to add some detail to the face. We're going to begin by drawing the mouth. We're going to make two small lines, one on the left and one on the right hand side, going up and down. And then we're going to connect them. Next, let's go ahead and fill this in completely black. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now right above what we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the eyes. We're going to make these weird bubble X letter-like shapes. This part might be a little tricky, so if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Now just like how we filled in the mouth black, we're going to do the exact same thing for the eyes. A little to the right, we will draw the second eye, which will look identical to what we just drew on the left hand side. Just like how I filled in the left eye completely black, we're going to do the exact same thing here as well. Now we're all done drawing the head. For this next step, we're going to begin to draw the arms as well as the torso. We're going to begin on the right hand side, and we're going to draw the arms as if they're up in the air. We will begin by drawing the right arm without drawing the hand. Now before we draw the hands, we're going to go a little to the left and below the head, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the shirt. This will connect all the way over to the right arm. So now we have already drawn the outline for the right arm, but we haven't yet drawn the hand. We're going to go ahead and do that right now. Some cartoon figures have 4 or 3 fingers, we're going to draw a total of 5. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that you stay up to date on all the latest drawing tutorials that we post every single day. Fantastic, well done. A little to the left, we're going to draw the second arm as well as hand. This will look identical to what we just drew on the right hand side. Are you a big fan of DJ Marshmello? If so, comment your favorite song down below. Nice, now we're all done drawing the outline of the left arm. Next we'll draw the left hand. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. We have to draw the legs as well as the feet. Next, we're going to begin to draw the legs by using long lines. We're going to begin right here on the left-hand side, and we're going to draw a line going down, kind of like an L-like shape. We will draw one line right here, connecting down to this L-like shape, and then we will make the two legs meet in the center. Fantastic! Now last but not least, we're going to draw the shoes by using simple U-like shapes underneath each leg. To finish today's drawing, we will draw an X-like shape on each shoe to represent shoelaces. If this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists can see it as well, and comment what you want to see done in our future videos. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a picture of this drawing colored in so that you can pause it and match your colors. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.